Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to make your desktop clean on Windows 11 or 10. So as you can see here, I have lot of icons here and how to make it clean on your Windows. I'm going to show you. So as you can see here, shortcut is showing up here. So you can move these files to the another location. Let's say on the download, paste it, and for this as well my video is running in this folder, so I can't remove this as of now, but I will show you how to do it. Let's say this is your Google Chrome. Okay, so you can delete its shortcut icon from here. You can see everything is going to work perfectly. These are just shortcut on your computer. This is exe, this is also shortcut, like so. So let's say I delete it or the remove some items from here. Okay, so still those are able to access from here. Let's type edge and you can see open here. And if you want to take it again here, I mean you want to restore the default setting here, what you can do is you can open your all the settings here like this and go to here and simply drag it here like this. Let's like this, see. So this is a way to arrange the desktop icons and you can remove the shortcut from here. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.